Alright, there's that little bumblebee. This morning here in Atlanta is probably about 63 degrees, which that's pretty chilly. Nice and clean. Cleaned it up last night. We're gonna do its first cold start. Around here. I want to maybe tint out those lights, black them up. Then again, I do like how the red matches the sticker. I actually had my first race yesterday, really. I should say really a race. Guy had a Challenger like mine. It was only a 6-cylinder. Gotta admit, they're pretty fast, but I totally dusted them after we floored it. We were just playing around. Let's do the cold start. Here we go. Device to leave the flaps open. Like I said, it's gonna be a real quick YouTube video, you guys. Okay, like, subscribe, and share. First cold start of the year.